Failing error. How to fix FACEIT face verification failing error. FACEIT requires accurate face verification for security and anti-cheat measures. If the process fails, it's usually due to camera, lighting, or ID mismatches. Follow these steps. Stress. 1. Check camera and lighting. Use a working webcam, tested in Windows Camera app. Sit in a well-lit environment, avoid shadows, use front lighting. Ensure your face is centered and clearly visible. 2. Remove obstructions. Do not wear hats, glasses, masks, or headphones that cover your face. Keep a neutral facial expression, no exaggerated movements. Make sure your background is clean and not too dark. 3. Verify with correct ID. Use the same ID document you registered with. Ensure your ID is not blurry or cropped when uploaded. Match name, birthday, and details exactly with your FaceID account. Center 4. Clear FaceID and browser data. If you're using browser verification, clear cache and cookies. Try in incognito mode or another browser, Chrome, Edge. If you're using the FaceID client, restart it and try again. Reinstall FaceID anti-cheat if needed. 5. Use a different device if needed. Sometimes verification fails due to camera driver issues. Try on a different PC or mobile device for face verification. 6. Contact FACEIT support. If all else fails, submit a ticket with your ID and explanation. Attach screenshots of the verification error. Wait for manual review. May take 24 to 48 hours. Quick fix recap. 1. Good lighting's clear webcam. 2. No glasses, hats, or masks. 3. Match ID details with account. 4. Clear cache/reinstall client. 5. Try another device if stuck. 6. Contact support for manual check.